up, everybody? This old dude here coming to you live from Knoxville, Tennessee. What I'm going to show you here is I've got a Sears Craftsman 2700 PSI pressure washer. And if you look at, I'm at my parents' house here in Knoxville. You look at the driveway, see it's clean on one side, not clean on the other. My little sister, who happens to be behind the camera, is the one that got this to looking how it is, as great as it does. But I have recently purchased a DeWalt 3400 pressure washer surface cleaner. And if you've ever steam cleaned or pressure washed a driveway, you'll know it's hard work, because just the fact that the width of your cleaning area is limited to the attachment that you have on the end of your pressure washer. So without further ado, here, let's get this started here. Show you what's in the box. I was looking at another brand of pressure washer surface cleaner. It was 16 inches, and another one that was smaller that was 15 inches, I believe. So 18 is about as big as they make them. It's got a steel deck, steel construction, and it's really it really seems like it's got a little bit of heft to it. 3700 psi. Turn it over. These bristles here keeps the water from splattering everywhere. If you have used, there's the instructions. If you have used a pressure washer before, you know that it really coats your feet and your lower legs. So we've got two sprayers here. We're gonna get this thing fired up and ready to go. So first of all, a couple of things, precautions that you got to realize is that when you hook your hose up to your pressure washer, make sure you turn the water on before you start it, because one of the biggest things that can go out on these things is the pump, and without water you can burn the thing up. The other thing is, when you connect it and you turn the water on, make sure that you get all the air out of your line. So that'll be better for it. And what I am going to do here, I'm going to go ahead. I got a quick connect on the end of the one here, and I'm going to attach it to the sprayer, to the surface cleaner, just like that. All right, spraying out the water a little bit on the underside there. It's not doing any cleaning. So this Craftsman here, I've had this a number of years. It's a great little pressure washer. Well, I've had to clean the carburetor a couple of times. The cleaning fluid here, tank, I'm not even going to use it, just because I'm going to see what we got here without it. But so I'm going to go ahead and start this. take this off, spray it off.
Yeah, just with the regular hose.
So let's see what we got.
This driveway is really, really level, and the water tends to pool a little bit to one side, so it's not like draining off. So he's going to get just a regular water hose and kind of hose away the dirty water. But you can see like night and day difference between what that looks like and then what this looks like from before.
So I'm going to start this up right quick and brush this, spray this off, and see what we got. Alright, so thank you, Mama. And so what I'm doing here is I just wanted to show you how quick I was able to clean off that foot width, a little over a foot of the driveway here with the DeWalt, and that took all of maybe 5 minutes. So I can probably get this done within about 30 minutes, 45 minutes maybe. But anyway, I think the DeWalt surface cleaner is a keeper, and I think I'll be using it this summer and maybe making a little wing money. So there you have it. If you like the video, push like, and this old dude here learned the hard way since 1962, so you don't have to.